The exacqReplay feature is a fast and convenient way to view recorded video or simply isolate a live camera for viewing. Right-click within the video panel you want to search. Expand the exacqReplay option and video before selecting one of the time range choices to view video from that camera. Many of the features found in the search layout can also be used from an exacqReplay window, such as marking start and stop points, exporting, and bookmarking video for later use. Selecting the live option from the time range choice will create a live video window of the selected camera. If you have a fisheye or panoramic camera on your system that supports client-side dewarping, you can enable the dewarping option from the exacqReplay window. With the video queued, simply right-click on the camera image and select from the fisheye dewarp options. The exacqReplay feature also allows you to quickly investigate video from an entire layout of cameras. You will follow similar steps, but select from the exacqReplay layout menu choices.